Okay, the house, how one feel? Oh, you're welcome to my house, okay? Not too far, okay? And you're welcome to come to my wife first, okay? Especially, after my house is not like that, but it's pretty big, okay? Look at this house. Remember, I say, Frank was teaching on 3 basic tenets and values is the foundation for therapy. Okay? The social meaning are the contents of their life. For some people, their life is empty and no content. Right? The daily sources are contents you want to put in your life. And the pure is a structure. So my brother-in-law is a builder. He built my house in Peterborough, big house. The pure is a framing. Daniel is a frame. Is a frame, the structure of the house. Because it gives a structure, right? Have you got the high beam? Have you got this? You have P, you have U, you have R, E. It's a structure, right? Kind of there. And meaningful movement is daily living, like pure daily living. And the meaning mindset, it gives you an overall orientation. It is a roof cover you, right? It helps you to see the world properly. To see the world from high up, right there on the ground. You better, more clear perception of looking at life higher up than the bottom. If you stay at the bottom of a well, 坐井观天, right? The Chinese saying, 坐井观天 means what? Do you know what I mean? Means you look at the sky from the bottom of the well, the sky is so tiny, right? The sky is much bigger than you see because you're at the bottom of the well. But if you transport yourself from the bottom of the well to the mountain and land of the life, the sky open up, okay? You see horizon broaden, the vista changes. You see so many opportunities lying before you. Oh, you feel so good. Yes, my friend.
Well, and the washroom here refers to getting rid of negative experiences. The washroom in the house here, is for getting rid of negative experiences.
Well, washroom is my favorite place. Because everywhere I go, I say, what's the throne? In my condition, okay, washroom is very important. I take a washroom break. My brother-in-law came laughing at me. He said, "Wong, keep your class." In the middle of class, I'm sorry, Mr. I go now.
Well, you wash, you just separate what is you from what is not you.
Well, of course, you get philosophical, you get philosophical, okay? That's debatable, okay? But that's debatable, okay? In a sense, we are all part of humanity, okay? We are part of nature, right? But then we are unique, right? But our uniqueness is not created by the skin boundary, right? So, okay, and anyway about this beautiful house. The best house built can be destroyed, When Daniel built my house, oh boy, I made sure that when tornado or hurricane hit our place, my house won't have to stand. So make sure it's stronger house. Okay? But the foundation is the key. Is the foundation built on rock or built on sand, right? Money and fame, the sand, right? But here's something here. Tragedy can strike. Life can change in a second, in a heartbeat. Right? You never know what will happen. Look, go to theater, bang, you left him forever. So, when tragedy strikes, how do you regain your sense of self? How do you rebuild your life. When your family is ruined, when everything, you lost everything, how do you rebuild your life? But that's when we ask about the survivors of this Colorado thing. So, and then my school reporter asked me, how do I make sense of the nonsense, of the tragedy? How do I help people who survive tragedy? So I say, well, you know what? Thank God we have a capacity for meaning making. Okay? I said, meaning making is the only way to get out of the hole. Okay? Get out of the